Allied Machine Engineering, our principals and WOHLHAUPTER together, we are helping Indian manufacturers to produce high quality product by using our drilling and boring and precise cutting tools what we have in our basket. So our kind of products help all the manufacturing companies, whether it is a automotive, whether it is a aerospace, or it's any kind of manufacturing industry. So we are helping them to produce high quality product. Since last couple of years, we have seen a lot of exports. Manufacturing happened in India. That's why we say this manufacturing maestro are really important part in the growth of India. So we at WOHLHAUPTER India and Allied Machine Engineering really proud to bring the stories of manufacturing maestros to the forefront.